What's up, guys? We're back with a video. Oh my god. And ow. We're at the the dog shelter, animal shelter. Probably gonna get a dog today. Oh, okay. Where? Where? What do you mean? They're not turning. Not even here. Oh, yep, there they are. So, yeah. No. Do you have my bottoms at home? Oh, look at that doggy.
I am.
Flying. Gotta hide this.
She is crazy.
We beat you here, and you guys took the highway.
I know. I didn't. There was a lot of people on 95.
Nice.
Oh, that's a puppy.
Look at that doggy.
Well, let me give you the number of somebody who takes in
adopted.
and finds them homes and barns. Or mountains, if it's an
Oh my gosh,
outdoor
how cute.
semi-feral cat, then that's probably where it belongs. So can I give you another number?
Oops.
I got that happens all the time. Do you need anything? Well, we can't take in a cat that's not friendly and socialized. You said it runs away. You can't touch it.
Hey, look at kids.
Kitties.
Because some of them are kind of scared because they're in the shelter. So just look. No children. Oh wait. Oh, Toby Choquette. I went to school with him.
You did?
Toby, look. Remember Toby?
Yeah, I'm not touching the animals. Because I don't want to get bitten. How do you know?
Hey.
What happened to Toby?
He committed suicide.
Oh, he did?
Toby Choquette. I went to school with him. He committed suicide. He was in the room.
It's sad. Look at him. I'm gonna put some hand sanitizer on. The hand sanitizer on. Okay, I got some hand sanitizer.
I like him.
I put hand sanitizer
He's
on.
funny.
Yeah. Look at those. You guys probably want to see.
Kitty?
They're not. They're kind of kitties. Come here. She like people? I think that cat likes me. You know, an open kennel ice cream. I know, I saw them. They're cute. I'd be cute. Sheena. Ew. I'm in Grace in place. Oh, this cat looks mean.
Let's not stick our fingers in because they can bite us.
Yeah, I don't trust this cat.
I know, don't. Careful. Be careful. Oh. Indoor cat. Yes, it is. It's so cute. They're all cute. Okay. Oh, this one's like. He's like, yeah. I know.
It's like, there's so many cats.
Thank you. They're cute.
I'm vlogging.
No dogs, no children. Okay, don't pet him.
Why?
Because it says no children.
He doesn't like children?
Okay.
Doesn't. Wait. Check phone. What are they? A cat?
He's huge.
It's a big flipping cat.
No children.
That one's a big one too.
That one's
A rabbit. Look, it's the bunnies. Oh my god, they're so cute.
Oh, look at him.
I think I scared him.
Okay, he's gonna kill it. Watch. Hi,
Here, let me see. Wait, did you put hand sanitizer on? Mom, did you put other hand sanitizer?
Bunny. Yeah. Hi, bud.
Oops. Adoption 1 is closed today. Adoptions 1 is closed. Mom, we can't adopt any today. Mom, look. Mommy,
What?
look, it says adoption 1 is closed today. I wonder, do you wanna? I'll just go in the dog room because I don't think the,
It says that.
no, we're allowed to. It says we can go in the dog room. I'll ask. Yes, we can. Are we allowed to go in the dog room?
That area is closed. All those dogs have been adopted, so the only dog area is out front.
Okay.
Dogs are out. That's where they go. Yeah, that's where those dogs are.
Do not enter. Keep his door closed at all times. Thank you.
Should I have a pair of shoes like that?
Yeah.
I'd like to roll. I wonder if they make them for adults.
Oof.
They do. Do they? So how do you stop? You just put your foot back down?
They're-
Just like that? Well, I can
They're
do
kind of
that.
hard to get used to. It took him like a week to get it, didn't it?
Yeah.
He's still kind of trips.
Yeah.
In the room.
So,
She's trying to make her shoes do that.
Oh.
She's like,
look it. You see little Catherine down there? She hides a lot.
She doesn't like other cats.
Yeah.
Where is
She
she?
likes to be
a lot of
inside.
cats
That are all indoor. Cats that have to be the only cat. No other animals. Hey.
Yeah, we don't have any animals right now. But.
Yeah. Out front? Which one? This one?
I'm like drawn to it.
Don't bite. Yeah, I think he's just playing.
Yes.
I don't want to show any other ones. Whoa, chill.
That one's a cool looking cat.
Looks like, yeah, from Hocus Pocus. He looks like the cat from Hocus Pocus. Looks like the cat from Hocus
Can you
Pocus.
open,
No,
hold him? I think you can.
not unless it says.
I may bite.
Huh.
I made that.
space, not that there's anything wrong with them. And so that's what we've been doing for the last 5 years. So, and that's where you get your smaller dogs from.
Okay.
So, but you should
And just
check
look
it.
online or look and it gets updated. Will they know at the front desk when those are gonna when
No, we don't know because it's private pilots and they have to get enough money raised for the gasoline for the planes.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we usually know like a day before.
Yeah.
But
I'll just keep checking, but
Is there, did you go up there?
No, I can't.
Can you hold the cats or no? You have to like go in a room?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I think somebody's in there right now.
Oh, okay.
but
do
we
you
can
want to do
wait.
the two kittens? Two kittens. Good. I want to play with the two kittens. The two babies that need to be adopted.
Does not like cats, but you are a cat, so you have to like cats. Stupid.
What? I just love one. The big one that we first saw? Yeah. That's what I was looking at too.
He was going like this. He was like,
He's like,
He's like, what's her name? Tika.
he's just cool. Hi, bud.
He's chill too.
Hi. Oh, Anagitu. 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 Anagitu.
He's like, ah, sicker.
He's funny watch.
I know.
Hey.
Can we go look at the dogs now?
Gentle giant. Like he's like, I like these for some reason. They're like hiding.
Are those babies?
They're babies.
Aw. Let's go look at the dogs.
And, is it a female cat? Okay.
Where's Ollie, Mom?
We're gonna go see the doggy.
Where?
Out here.
Right there.
Wait.
These ones are
Okay, you guys, they're kind of loud sometimes. They bark, so just.
There's none in here. Oh my god, there is.
I need shoes like that. That would
That's-
make me work so good around here.
I'm Cameron, Greg's wife.
You
We
are.
got the Doberman and then the Hound Dog from you.
Is that real Rocky?
Yep, it's Rocky.
Wow. But I still need shoes like
I
that.
know, right?
Where do you get them at?
Big Five.
Yeah, I got hit those at Big Five one.
I saw him online. How is he with kids?
He's a good boy. He's a terrier. He kind of minds his
Oh,
own
terriers
business.
are awesome. I love terriers.
Sweet boy. He's having an anxiety attack right now.
Here's a cool dog.
You alright? What are you talking? He's like a Wizard of Oz photo.
He's only like a year, right?
Yeah, he's a good boy.
It's crazy.
So you just
It's okay.
let him have a
Doberman's.
Not doing very good, but
He's
he is-
older.
yeah, he's like almost 10 now.
I'm gonna say hi, doggy. You good with kids? You're pretty. Is there anyone else? Please respect my space. Aww.
This guy just got ours. He likes kids. He's a sweet boy.
What happened to his nose?
I have to ask the doctor what's wrong with him. He loves kids.
I'm sorry.
Loves kids, yeah. He cries when he's here, but he's just loves kids.
Oh, I think I saw that.
Take his breath away.
Oh my gosh, look here.
He does. I really love him. He just has kids.
Hello, babies.
He's like
kind of a
6.5, 6, 7.
Yeah, so he's probably just getting good.
I want that tiny dog. That tiny dog is adorable. Look. Guys, watch. Ooh. Hmm. Ow. Some other dogs, I don't think I'm allowed to go back there. Never mind. Ow, ow, ow.
Our Our Doberman doesn't. No, he doesn't like them.
This guy, I know he loves kids, and it appears that he's really digging them too.
Yeah.
He likes them boy. He likes the shoes too. I gotta get some of them. They're sweet peanut.
Thank you.
I will for sure.
Yeah, you too. Oh my gosh, that hound dog is so cute.
Can we get him?
I love him.
Can we get him?
He's probably a runner.
And that's what it says.
They all.
Oh, it's a
hound
coon
dogs are
hound.
runners.
But he's like, he needs a family that is going to keep him busy.
We'll keep him busy. What do you
And a
mean?
hound dog could, Brennan could probably teach him a lot.
I just hate that they have to sit here, especially when they're this year. This
They get adopted.
I don't know, let's not touch him though.
He might have,
Gotten a dog, another dog fight.
he might, it looks like it's like rubbed raw. Stay away from, I know he's probably, he seems nice, but.
Not too promising.
He keeps coming back here.
Mom, can we
That's 'cause
get
he's
him,
a runner,
please?
And
His son, youngest son, is highly allergic. Does your dog get along with men, women, children, male dogs, female dogs? Should your dog go to a home with children? Yes, any age.
they're runners and.
That's like a baby bark.
Well, it sounds like Ray. It sounds like Ray.
And that dog's getting kind of annoying.
I like him.
Okay, this will be the end of the vlog. We'll see you next time.